Sudah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu hal adulukum ala tijaratin tunjikum min azabin alim tu'minuna billahi wa rasulihi wa tujahiduna fi sabilillahi bi amwalikum wa anfusikum zalikum khairul lakum in kuntum ta'lamun. The Honorable the Head of English Education Department, Ma'am Zulfitri SSMA, the Honorable Advisor, Reviewers, and all lecturers, the Honorable all audiences of the seminar. First of all, let's thank the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us some mercies and blessings so that we can attend the seminar without any troubles and obstacles. Secondly, salawat and salam may always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Lara Moriza. I will be your master of ceremony this seminar. On this occasion, allow me to introduce you today's agenda. There are presentation, evaluation, answer and question session, and closing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's open the seminar proposal by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On today's seminar, we have 5 presenters. The first presenter is Dwi Ajeng Tristanti with the title The Anxiety of English Public Speaking of the Students in English Education. The second presenter is Ain Taskia Fadila Lubis with the title Give Back of Using Instagram Social Media on Students English Writing Skill of Procedure Text at 11th grade of SMA Budi Satria. The third presenter is Bagas Waribogo with the title The Effect of Mobile Legend Game Towards Students English Reading Comprehension at 11th grade of SMA Budi Satria. The fourth presenter is Teresia Christine Purba with the title The Effect of Using English Song on Student English Listening Skill for 8th grade at Junior High School Methodist 8 Glugur. The last presenter is Dwi Intan Febriana with the title The Effect of Using Pictures Technique on Student Writing Skill of Descriptive Text. All presenters have a seat, please. Next agenda would be a presentation. For the first presentation will be conveyed by Ain Taskia Fadila Lubis with her advisor, Mem Wariati SPDM Home. The first reviewer, Mem Nurafni Siregar SPDM Home, and the second reviewer, Sir Haji Asnawi SPDM Home. To Ain Taskia Fadila Lubis, the floor is yours. Ain masih di mute.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Ma'am Zulfitri SSMA, the Honorable Ma'am Wariati SPDM Home as my advisor, the Honorable Ma'am Nurafni Siregar SPDM Home as my first reviewer, the Honorable Sir Haji Asnawi SPDM Home as my second reviewer, the Honorable all of my lecturer and the audience. Thanks to moderator who give me the opportunity to present my research proposal. I am Ain Taskia Fadila Lubis. Let me present my research proposal under the title The Effect of Using Instagram Social Media on Student English Writing Skill of Procedure Text at 11th grade at SMA Budi Satria. Next. First slide. Bagas, slide pertama. Background of the problem. Writing is one language skill as means of communication. There are 4 skills they need for complete communication. These are called the 4 language skills. First, listening. 2, speaking, reading, and writing skill. Based on the test skill, students must be able to master all skills well. Most of the writing problems that arise today are usually due to a lack of in-depth knowledge. It's also affect one writing's efficiency by influencing one's reading preferences. As an effective teacher, the teacher must use interesting media, and the teacher must be able to motivate students to write procedure text. In terms of writing procedure text, researchers have found ways to improve student performance in writing procedure text, especially the role of video in Instagram. In this study, the research used video on Instagram scroll to help students write procedure text. Identification of the problem. First, writing is one language skill as means of communication by someone which can express their idea or information. Social media make people easier to learn English. Instagram can be used for English for learning writing skill. Limitation of the problems. The limitation of the problems only focus of the problem to determine the influence of Instagram social media in writing procedure text, especially to stimulate student thinking and build student motivation in the teaching and learning process with video on Instagram. Formulation of the problem. Lack of student motivation in the teaching and learning process without media, and students are afraid to make mistakes and express their idea into procedure text, so students feel bored in the learning. Objective of the research. First, to find out the influence of Instagram social media on students in writing procedure text, and to find out student ability in writing procedure text without Instagram social media. The significance of the research. For students, it will increase student motivation in the teaching and learning process, especially in procedure text. For teachers, it will improve the teacher strategy in the teaching and learning process, especially with Instagram social media. Other research will add knowledge and insight into the teaching and learning process of writing procedure text with Instagram. Review of literature. Writing is one of the important skills to organize ideas into written text to give information. Problems in writing. First, internal problems. Two, external problems. Procedure text is the text that explains, inform, or help readers on how to make or use something. Media is a means of communication. The media are very important in helping them make the transition to education. In the relevant study, first, Indah Kemala, the result from the test show that the average to post-test in the experimental class in higher than control class, which the average increase in the experimental class in 6, 8, 90 points better than in the control class. And then Mutmainah, to obtain data, the author use a pre-experimental method with the pretest and posttest. It is used to show whether the picture improves the student ability in writing procedure text or not. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. First, research design is a quantitative research. Procedure of the research. First, planning stage. 2, acting phase. 3, observation phase. 4, reflection phase. And technique of the collecting data, pre-test, treatment, and post-test. Population and sample. Population. The research population of this research is all of the 11th grade student, which consists of 4 classes with the category of science class and social science class, where there are 2 science class and 2 social science class. The total number of population are 19 students. Sample. The researchers took the sample from 11th grade students of the SMA Budi Satria. The research only took 2 classes at the sample. That's all about my presentation. I will give back to the moderator.
Well, the second presentation will be conveyed by Dwi Ajeng Kristanti with her advisor, Mem Waryati SPD M Hum. The first reviewer, Sir Dr. Andes Haji Muhammad Khalid M Hum. And the second reviewer, Mem Dr. Yulia Arfanti M Hum. Dwi Ajeng, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Mem Zulfitri SSMA. The Honorable Mem Waryati SPD M Hum as my advisor. The Honorable Dr. Andes Haji Muhammad Khalid M Hum as my first reviewer. The Honorable Dr. Yulia Arfanti M Hum as my second reviewer. The Honorable all of my lecture and the audience. Thanks to moderator who give me this chance to present my research proposal. I'm Dwi Ajeng Kristanti. Let me present my research proposal under the title The Anxiety of English Public Speaking of the Student English Education. Speaking is one of the most crucial ability that English language student must master. Student wanna use English in everyday situation, especially in a class. One of the causes of nervous when speaking English in a class, the inability to communicate ideas owing to a lack of a confidence. Anxiety as one of the barriers to speaking has a significant impact one of language learning growth, particularly in speaking performance, and they are unable to acquire English for variety of reasons. Problem identification of problem. What are the factors that causing anxiety? The ex-master student English department in Muslim Nusantara Al-Wasliyah University of Medan. What are the type of anxiety in speaking? The ex-master students English department in Muslim Nusantara Al-Wasliyah University of Medan. Next. The objective the objective of the research to find out factors that causing student anxiety in speaking English. The ex-semester student of English department in Muslim Nusantara University of Medan. To find out the type of students anxiety in speaking English of the ex-semester students of English department in Muslim Nusantara University of Medan. Limitation of problem. Based on the background of this research, the research focused on a reason of speaking anxiety English in the ex-semester English department in this study. Next. Chapter 2. Speaking, the method people communicate information, transmit a message to express ideas verbally, vocabulary, pronunciation, correctness, and fluency are some of the skills required for speaking. These are the primary factors that influence students' ability to communicate effectively with the other prior to practice. Public speaking is the process or act of giving speech in front of a live audience. No public speaking, also known as oratory or oration. The short speech is organization with the three main goals in mind to inform, convince, and entertain. The term public speaking refers to formal face-to-face presentation of a single individual to a group of listeners. Anxiety is one of the most well-known physiological condition. Anxiety is a reaction of the human body to a specific scenario. Anxiety is commonly defined as a sense of being stressed, concern, tension, or worry. The study discovered several meanings of anxiety. Anxiety is defined as a feeling of being threatened, oppression, tension, and worry in response to a specific circumstance or something that may occur in the future. Anxiety is this distressing sense, anxiety, sadness, worry, and fear of something unpleasant happening. Research method. Research design. The method employed in this study descriptive research using a qualitative approach. Research subject, the writer analyzed students speaking fair using the semester as a research subject, which include 3 males and 7 females. The research is concerned about a group of students who are afraid of speaking public speaking anxiety. Research instrument, the first observation, the second interview, the third questionnaire. I think it's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, the third presentation will be conveyed by Bagas Waribogo with her advisor, Mem Waryati SPDM Home. The first reviewer, Sir Haji Asnawi SPDM Home, and the second reviewer, Mem Nur Afni Sregar SPDM Home. To Bagas Waribogo, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Mem Zulfitri, SSMA. The Honorable Ms. Waryati, SPDM Home, as my advisor. The Honorable Sir Haji Asnawi, SPDM Home, as my first reviewer. The Honorable Mem Nur Afni Siregar, SPDM Home, as my second reviewer. The Honorable, all of my lecturers and the audiences. Thanks to the moderator who gave me this chance to present my research proposal. I am Bagas Waribogo, Let me present my research proposal under the title, The Effect of Mobile Legend Game Towards Students' English Reading Comprehension at 11th grade of SMA Budi Satria. Please follow under the slide. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of the problem. Reading comprehension is a series of process carried out to find information and understand the information contained in reading text. Reading ability is strongly influenced by the ability to master vocabulary and reading habit possessed by students so that they can understand reading easily. Reading comprehension, learning will be easier to understand and students will be more interested in learning reading comprehension by using games. In Mobile Legends, there are stories of several players, features that are similar to legends like a Kadita player who looks like the Queen of the South Sea. Identification of the problem. First, the student have low ability in reading comprehension of narrative text. The student only know how to read the text, but not comprehend the text. Third, there is no active interaction between student and teachers. The fourth, the English teachers still use textbooks that contain monotonous activities. Limitation of the problem. The limitation of the problem is only focus the student's ability in reading comprehension of narrative text by using Mobile Legends at 11th grade of social science or IPS. Formulation of the problem. First, how Mobile Legends games affect students' reading comprehension. Second, how is the student's reading comprehension after using the Mobile Legends game? Third, how effective are Mobile Legends games for students' reading comprehension? Objective of the research. First, to find students' reading comprehension before using the Mobile Legends game. Second, to find out students' reading comprehension after using the Mobile Legends game. Third, to determine the effectiveness of the Mobile Legends game towards students' reading comprehension. Significance of the research. Theoretically, it can benefit other research as a source of research and research. There's hope that the development of this research will lead to other researchers with the same method or technique. Practically, first for teachers, researchers expect teachers to be able to use interesting techniques to teach their students. Researchers also hope that the study will help teachers motivate their students to learn English, especially in reading comprehension. Second, the importance of this study to students is to enable them to learn reading comprehension in a fun way. Chapter 2, Review of Literature. Review of literature. Reading is an active process to understand the meaning from the text. According to Grape Stoller, reading comprehension is an ability to understand or to gain the information from a text. Narrative is description of event, especially in a novel, fable, or legend, etc., or a process of skill of telling a story. Jill Hadfield stated that a game is an activity with rules, a goal, and an element of fun. In Mobile Legends, there are stories of several player features that are similar to legend, and it makes students can learn narrative text. One example of a player describing a narrative text like this picture, Kadita. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Research design. The researcher uses of this research basically static or quantitative data is based on the effect of Mobile Legends game towards students' English reading comprehension. In conducting experimental research, the sample will be divided into two groups, namely the experimental group and the control group. The experimental group will be taught by applying the Mobile Legends game in reading comprehension learning, and the control group, which is taught without applying the Mobile Legends game in reading comprehension learning. Next, both of the groups are measured with the test, pre-test and post-test, and the results are compared. Research procedure. First, reconnaissance. Second, planning. Third, acting and observing the action. Fourth, reflection. Technique of collecting the data. First, pre-test. Second, treatment. Third, post-test. Subject of the research. Population. The population is all 11 grade students, which consists of 4 classes with the category of science class and social science class, where there are 2 science classes and 2 social science. And 2 social science classes. The total number population are 390 students. Sample based on the result of observation and information at school Budi Satria. The researcher took 2 classes which was given treatment, namely class 11.1 IPS with the basic of playing the Mobile Legends game, and otherwise 11.2 IPS as a control class because it did not use Mobile Legends, so it was not given treatment. That's all about my presentation. I will give it back to the moderator.
Well, the fourth presentation will be conveyed by Teresia Christine Purba with her advisor, Mem Zulfitri SSMA, first reviewer, Sir Dr. Salamuddin Selian M. Home, and the second reviewer, Mem Dr. Risnawati SSM Home. To Teresia Christine Purba, the floor is yours.
Iya, bentar ya, Nek. Bukan anak kos kan, tidak dibawa perempuan. Saya minta
ya presentasi ya? Ya ampun. Nah, kalian bilang lah. Wait. Good morning, everyone. Sorry. Good morning, everyone. I am Teresia. Will present my presentation is about the effect of using English song on students' English listening skill for 8th grade at Junior High School Methodist 8 Glugur. For the first all, the honorable to my advisor is Mem Zulfitri, and the second, the honorable to my first reviewer is Mr. Salamuddin, and the third, the honorable to my second reviewer, Ma'am Risnawati. In my presentation, I will explain there are 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is about the background of the problem, identification of the problem, limitation, formulation, objective, significant, and hypothesis. The first one, I will explain about the background of problem. We know that listening skill is a very important for our life. I have to mention that in the study, we have 4 skills that we have. There is listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So when in our life, actually we always listen before we can speak and write and do something. So from this problem, I would like to know that how many students can use his listening skill in about English by using English song. And the second is about the identification problem. You can see the slide that we have 5 problem identification. There are students lack of vocabulary in learning listening. Do the student less of practice? The second, lack of media in teaching listening due to limited facility. The third, students also feel listen are quite difficult listen, so they are less interesting to learn. The fourth, students also have limited vocabulary, so they are less able to understand the meaning of the song. And the last is students get quite low score in listening due to lack of exercise and practice. So from this identification, the writer will have the limitation. So the limitation from this proposal is only use two songs for pre-test and post-test. So the research try to focus on making the student English contextually and speaking. And the formula of the problem, the research just have, is it effective for the students to
Well, the fourth presentation will be conveyed by Teresia Christine Purba with her advisor, Mem Zulfitri SSMA. First reviewer, Sir Dr. Salamuddin Selin M. Hum, and the second reviewer, Mem Dr. Krisnawati SSM Hum. To Teresia Christine Purba, the floor is yours.
Thank you for the time. Good morning, everyone. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Mem Zulfitri SSNA. The Honorable Sir Salamuddin as my first reviewer, and the second, the Honorable to Ma'am Risnawati as my second reviewer, and the Honorable to all of my lecturer and the audience. Thanks to the moderator who gave me this chance to present my research proposal. I am Teresia Christine Purba. I will present my research, the proposal under the title, The Effect of Using English Song on Students' English Listening Skill for 8th grade at Junior High School Methodist 8 Glugur. I will explain for the first chapter is about background of problem. We know that language is a very important thing in our language. So we know that in a language, especially in English, there are 4 elements that students have to have. That is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So for the 4 skills, we have to know the one of important thing in the language is the listening. When we listening something, so we can try to speaking, and after we speaking, we can try to reading, and after we have the reading, and we can write some text. So listening is very important in our daily life. We know that listening skill is have the effect for the English. So the writer take the problem to know that what the effective of listening skill in the student, especially for Methodist 8 Glugur for 8th grade in their school. The writer focus to know that how the student can try to listening something and know the meaning of the song by the meaning of the English by using English song. And the second, the identification of problem. The identification of problem, the research have 5. There are students' lack of vocabulary in learning listening due to students' less of practice, lack of media and teaching listening due to limited facility. Students also feel listen are quite difficult listen, so they are less interesting to learn. Students also have a limited vocabulary, so they are less able to understand the meaning of the song. Students get quite low score in listening due to lack of exercise and practice. After the research have the problem for identification, the research have to limit the problem, and the limited of problem is the research focus to effect of using English song on student skills by using English song, and the research will be used to song for pre-test and post-test. And the research focus on contextually and speaking. The next chapter is, the formulation of problem is that is it effective for the student to increase their skill by using English song in a grade at junior high school Methodist 8 Glugur? And the objective of the research is to know, to find the effect of using English song on student English listening skill for a grade at junior high school Methodist 8 Glugur. The significance of the problem is the research have three. For the research is the results of the study can be used to the author to enlarge knowledge of the importance of English song in teaching listening. For the student, the students will be motivation in listening activity, especially by using English song. And the last, for the teacher, the research findings provide information to English teachers about how listening to English songs can develop students' English skill. And the last is a hypothesis. So by this hypothesis, we know that there is a significant effect of listening English song is the HA, and there is no significant effect of listening song is the HO. Next, it's chapter 2. In the chapter 2, the research just explained about the definition of listening. And the definition of listening, listening is the process that includes listening to the sounds of language. So, in the other words, listening is when someone can listen something and the listener can repeat or write what the speaker is talking about. And for this definition, the research have some types of listening. They're active and active, casual, critical, discriminative, evaluate, judgmental, appreciative, best listening, comprehension, deep, empathic, inactive, sympathetic, therapeutic, total relationship, reflection, and partial. So, after we know type of the listening, we have to know the purpose of the listening. The purpose of the listening, actually, we have 5 steps. There is receiving. Receiving is the hearing. Hearing, same like to respond, caused by sound waves stimulating the sensory receptor of the ear. And the second is understanding. Understanding is like learning. Learning, in the other word, is understanding. The step help to understand the symbols when we have seen and heard. And the third is remembering. It's like recurring. It's important listening because it means that the individual has not only received and interpreted the message, but has also added it to the mind. And the fourth is evaluating. It's like listener participle at this stage in listening. And the last one is responding. Responding, in the other words, is answering. So, after we know the purpose of the listening, we have know the definition of the song. Definition of the songs. is the song are no stranger to people around the world. The reason is song have become a fun friend to accompany our various daily activity. So when we have in the good mood or bad mood, actually song have give us some motivate. The type of the song, we can see the slide. I take one according from Suyanto. There are some types of the song as following. Song for pleasant is the like popular song and that make happy situation, and it is usually sung out of class, for example, when they have reaction, when they are on the way, or when the hard situation is bored. And the second song for listen song, it's like it's mean a special song to learn vocabulary. And the effect of the song is an effect of the song. Song can affect develop of the persons is intelligent question and emotional question. So learning songs serve to train students' memory and concentration. And the next, the genre of the song. Actually, the genre of the song we have classical, electronic, pop, metal, and rock. We have many genre for the song. And like for especially for this study, the research take the pop song for the genre. And the next is advantage and disadvantage song. We can see the slide that advantage song are make teaching learning process familiar among students. Advantage and disadvantage song. We can see the slide that advantage are song make teaching learning process fun. Song is familiar among students. Song made it possible to be in control of the audio. Students can listen the song at home, and song make movie in time easy. And the last is disadvantage. Disadvantage of the song is teaching speaking by using song take an extra time. And it is also seen in enjoyable activity for the student. In the chapter 2, the reviewer take the conceptual form and relevant research. The conceptual form, the listening is the one of
Well, last presentation will be conveyed by Dwi Intan Febriana Sari with her advisor, Mem Wariati SPDM Hum. The first reviewer, Mem Nurlaili SPDM Hum, and the second reviewer, Mem Dahlia Sirait SPDM Hum. To Dwi Intan Febriana Sari, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Slide-nya, Kak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Ma'am Zulfitri, SSMA. The Honorable Ma'am Dahlia Sirait, SPDM Home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Ma'am Zulfitri, SSMA. The Honorable Ma'am Waryati, SPDM Home, as my advisor. And the Honorable Ma'am Nurlaili, SPDI M Home, as my first reviewer. And the Honorable Ma'am Dahlia Sirait, SPDM Home, as my second reviewer. The Honorable, all of my lecturers and the audiences. Thanks to moderator who gave me this chance to present my research proposal. I am Dwinton Febriana Sari. Let me present my research proposal under the title Study Literature, the Effect of Using Picture Media on Students' Writing Skill of Descriptive Text. In my proposal, there are 3 chapters. First one, chapter 1, including background of research, the identification of problem, the limitation of the research, formulation of the problem, the objective of the research, and last, there's the significance of the research. And in chapter 2, the review of literature, there's theoretical framework, including writing, definition of writing, the nature of description text, include definition of descriptive text too, And next, the nature of picture media include the definition and the function. And the second one, thinking framework, and last, hypothesis. And in chapter 3, there's methodology, first research design, then literature research, and then source data, and then data collection, analysis, and the last, there's conclusion and suggestion. Okay, let me tell about chapter 1 on background of research. Researchers found about most of students' thoughts about difficulties in mastering writing skill in English. Researchers found several journals that written by other researchers concerned about the use of using picture media as solution in improving students' writing skill than other strategy in cooperative learning related to master writing skill. Next, there are identification of problem. First one, to knowing how effective the using picture media is in improving writing skill in English. And second, knowing the right level of education in implementing the picture media in writing. And the last, there is knowing which media picture is effective so that it can improve students' writing skills on descriptive text. The limitation of the research. There are three delimitations of my research. First one, the effectiveness of using picture media on students' writing skill. Second one, level applies picture media on students' writing skill on descriptive text. Third one, media that is applied picture media on students level 7 to 8 graduate. Formulation the problem. The researchers found the formulation of problem, thus using picture media significantly affects students' writing achievement on descriptive text or not. Next, the significance of the research. For the teacher, to enrich their horizon in teaching speaking. For students, to enable them to master writing skill. For research, for educational institution to improve education profession. For researchers itself as the references or reference for other researchers. Next. As practically for teacher as the alternative media to improve their students' achievement in writing. Meanwhile, for students to help the students overcome their weakness. Next, chapter 2, review of literature. Theoretical framework. First one, there is writing. Definition of writing. Writing is a language skill that is used to communicate indirectly. Based on Abbas in 2006, 125. Writing skills are the ability to express ideas, questions, and feelings to other parties through written language. It means that through writing skill, students can express their feeling. Their feeling, their opinions, and their ideas without anxiety about the grammar. Meanwhile, according to Tarigan, 2008, page 3, writing skills are one of the productive and expressive language skills that are used to communicate indirectly and not face-to-face with other parties. It means that the writing skills is the second communicate or indirectly communicate to other people to deliver our opinion. Then there is aim of writing. Aim of writing is to provide and to express feelings. To cheer up, to convince the readers of the information. According to SEMI 2007, in general, the purpose of writing is as follows: to tell something. To provide instructions or direction, we often encounter writing purpose is to give instruction or direction about something. And then function of writing. Function of writing is as an indirect communication. It means that function of writing is a tool because it doesn't directly deal with other parties who read our writing, but through written language. According to Tarigan 2008, the main function of writing is as an indirect communication tool. Then the factors that affect writing skill. According to Abidin, there are some factors that influence students' writing skills, including 1, the low role of teachers in fostering students to be skilled at writing, lack of teacher touch in terms of providing various appropriate writing strategies, the use of an appropriate writing approach. Indicator of writing skills. According to Sukartiningsi and Maladewi, 2013, PP 1 through 11 said that to measure the level of students' ability in learning to write, the assessment criteria were based on trying to do or write, determine the title according to the content written, the using the AEYD spelling, using the right choice of words or diction, and etc. Then about descriptive text, I will explain about the definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of genre that paints a colorful picture of a person, place, thing, or concrete ideas as well as vivid details. As stated by Bilene 2004, 5, it should make the reader see, hear, smell, favor, and feel what the author describes. Next. Structure of descriptive text. There are 3 structures of descriptive text. First one, identification. Second one, description parts. And the third one is conclusion. And then Characteristics of descriptive text. There are some characteristics of descriptive text, namely noun, adjective, place information, preposition, and synonyms. And then types of descriptive text. According to Akarga in Dalman 2015, 96 to 97, there are two kinds of descriptions, namely one, place description, second one, description of people. And then there are language rules of descriptive text. According Yadi Mulyadi, Ani Andriani, and Aulia Malitani Fajwa, 2016. There are 3 rules of descriptive text. There is use of sentence containing detailed explanation to concretize. The second, selection of words with strong emotions. And the last, the use of figure of speech to describe or describe an object. Next, about pictures media. Pictures media. In the teaching and learning process, the presence of the media has a fairly important meaning. According Gerlach and Ellie in Arshad 2010-3 say that the media, if understood in broad items, are human materials or events that build conditions that enable students to acquire knowledge, skills, or attitudes. The purpose of pictures media, with the use of appropriate learning media, it is hoped that the learning process can take place effectively and fun. There are some advantage and disadvantage about picture media. The advantage are pictures can only emphasize the perception of the sense of sight only. Then drawing is very good. Picture is very good because it can provide the same experience to whole group. And yet disadvantage, picture cannot demonstrate sound, smell, or other sensory characteristics. Then small size pictures are difficult to observe in large quantities, while the procurement costs are high. Next, theoretical framework. Seeing the problem that occurred above, the research try to choose audiovisual media to overcome the problems that occurred in learning to write descriptive text. Image media is considered very interesting to study because of the researchers took the title "The Effect of Using Picture Techniques on Students' Writing Skill on Descriptive Text." Next, hypothesis, alternative hypothesis, HA. The picture media significantly affects students' writing descriptive text achievement. Null hypothesis, the pictures media doesn't significantly affect students' writing descriptive text achievement. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Research Design, Flow Diagram. First, literature research. Literature research method is a series of activities related to the method of collecting library data, reading and taking notes, and managing research materials. Z 2008. 3. Literature research concept with the following limits. 1. The effectiveness of using pictures media on students writing descriptive text. Second, level applies pictures media on students writing skill on descriptive text. And the last media that is supplied picture media on students level 7 and 8 grade. Data collection. Sugiono 2016. 193 data collection techniques are a step that is considered strategic in research because it has the main objective of obtaining data. The researchers use papers and journals as data collection techniques. Analysis. There are 3 journals analyze the researchers. 1. Improving students' writing skill of descriptive text by using picture. The source from Google Scholar. And the second, implementation of picture media to improve writing ability on descriptive text to 7th grade students at SMP and 1 Karambitans. The source from Google Scholar, Journal of Education and Practice. And the last, the implementation of using picture media to improve students' writing performance in descriptive text, the source from Google Scholar, Journal of Education and Practice. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion and suggestions include the result of analysis and discussion of paper of journals that have been previously researched by researchers related to the media, level and effectiveness of the using picture media of each author in the journal or paper. Thank you.
Thank you very much to all presenter for the informative presentation. That was the presentation by Dwi Ajeng Kristanti, Ain Taskia Fadila Lubis, Bagus Waribogo, Teresia Christine Purba, and Dwi Intan Febriana Sari. Now we're going to the next session, which is the review session. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we finally come to the end of today's agenda. Before we close this seminar, I would like to thank to all reviewers and all lecturers. Thanks to the presenters for the informative and interesting presentation. And the last, thanks to all the audiences for the very active participation. Thank you so much for your attention. And let's close this seminar by reciting Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Udah guys.